We are Matt and Diana, and we have been traveling full-time in our RV for 2 years. Pretty much all of that time we spent traveling over the West Coast. But now we are in New Hampshire, in New England, and this is the first time we are exploring East Coast with our RV. We are staying at Timberland Campground near Gorham, New Hampshire, and today we'll take a road trip to see the fall colors. We'll be exploring the fall colors as they head from north to south. Today we'll be exploring the North Woods in the northern part of New Hampshire. So why is this special?
So if you don't know what this is the TARDIS from Doctor Who, a British TV show that Diana and I both love to watch. I don't know what one is doing randomly in Berlin, New Hampshire, but I guess they're on some adventures.
The road hugs the Androscoggin River, and for miles we were seeing these strange rock piles every few hundred feet in the middle of the river. These turned out to be boom piers, a relic left over from Berlin's days in the lumber industry. They served to divide the river, allowing two competing companies to share the river for sending lumber downstream.
We are driving along Androscoggin River and we have entered the area called 13 Mile Woods. Now we are stopped at the Seven Islands Bridge. The hike that we're doing today is called the Tabletop hike. It is off of Route 26 near Dixwell Notch. It's 1.5 miles in and out, so total of 3 miles and around 700 feet of elevation, and looks like most of the elevation is right in the beginning of the hike.
At the bottom you can see the historic Balsams Resort. Unfortunately, it's been closed since 2011 for renovations after new owners purchased it, and there's no information on when it might open again.
The views from the top of the Table Rock were absolutely amazing. When I was looking for the hike, I knew that you get the top of a cliff and you see views, but it totally blew my expectations. So that was a really nice find. The distance, it turned out to be 1.8 miles, the total there and back. It was a little bit hard to find ahead of time, like how long it exactly will be, because there are two different access points. From the parking lot on 26, from which we hiked, we ended up doing 1.8 miles and 750 feet of ascent. After the hike, we continued on, and now we are near Brook at Beaver, Brook Falls Scenic area, where we just had lunch. We prepared lunch ahead of time. We had a garbanzo bean and quinoa salad bowl, and now we're ready to roll further.
There are 54 wooden covered bridges in New Hampshire. Stark Covered Bridge was built either in 1857 or 1862, and then rebuilt multiple times. The original reason for the cover was to protect the bridge's trusses and decks from snow and rain, preventing decay and rot. A covered bridge could last 100 years, but an uncovered bridge typically had a lifespan of only 20 years.
The Stark Covered Bridge was our last stop of the day, and now we're back at the campground. It was a beautiful day, the weather cooperated with us, and we're happy that we saw the fall colors at this time. Thank you for watching, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more fall color exploration videos.